Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an air filter in a Nissan Sentra. This is a straightforward maintenance task you can do yourself in about 10 to 15 minutes. You will need a new engine air filter, which is readily available, and sometimes a Phillips head screwdriver. Keeping your air filter clean is crucial for your car's health, ensuring better fuel economy and engine longevity. Let's get started. First, open your Nissan Sentra's hood and locate the air filter housing. It is typically a large, black plastic box situated on the passenger side of the engine bay. You will see several clips around the edges, or possibly a few screws. Unfasten these clips or unscrew them to open the housing cover. Once open, carefully lift out the old, rectangular air filter. Notice how dirty it might be. Now, take your brand new air filter and carefully place it into the housing. Make sure it sits snugly and correctly within the designated slot. The rubber seal around the filter's edge should fit perfectly into the housing to prevent any unfiltered air from entering the engine. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover, securing all the clips or screws you removed earlier. Replacing your air filter regularly offers several key benefits. A clean filter allows your engine to breathe better, leading to improved performance and even better fuel economy. It also protects your engine from dust, dirt, and other contaminants. Most manufacturers recommend changing your engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or about once a year, depending on your driving conditions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.